As countries gain economic prosperity, the government's role in public enterprises gets diminished. This is exactly what the Modi government is doing. The growing Indian government coffers have ensured that government feels secure that it can take care of people's welfare on its own. This is the reason why the union government is releasing LIC from its control. IPO released by LIC is garnering huge responses from investors all around the world. Hi and welcome. You're watching TFI English, the national socio-political analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I'm your host Isha, and in this video I will tell you how LIC is all set to become the second biggest company in India by valuation. Let's begin. Over the last 3 decades, the Indian government has focused on allowing various public sector units to have their own management structure, free from the bureaucratic base. They do it through divesting companies that no longer need socialist dictates from them. The latest entrant in the list of autonomous companies is LIC. The state-run enterprise looks all set to become the second largest valued company in India with its IPO listing. According to reports available in the public domain, Life Insurance Corporation will be filing its IPO prospectus by the end of this month. The estimated value of the public issue is Rs 15 lakh crores. It is the biggest valuation of IPO ever filed by an Indian firm. The fact that it comes from a government-owned entity is an indication of India's growing stature. The embedded value of IPO is expected to be around 4 lakh crores. The embedded value is the statistical measure of investors' interest in an insurance company. It is the sum of estimated future profits and funds belonging to shareholders that have been accumulated in the past. The market share of IPO is expected to be 4 times that of embedded value. It will depend on investors' appetite, profitability outlook, and trends in the industry. Valuation of 15 lakh crore makes LIC stand among a coveted group of companies like Reliance Industries Limited and Tata Consultancy Services. A Bloomberg source informed, if investors agree with those calculations proposed by the government, LIC would join the league of India's biggest companies, Reliance Industries Limited and Tata Consultancy Services Limited, that enjoy a market capitalization of Rs 17 lakh crore rupees and Rs 14.3 lakh crore respectively. Modi government has liberalized investment rules to ensure that companies willing to invest do not face any bureaucratic hindrances. Earlier rules regarding foreign firms not investing in LIC have been removed, which led to an increase in the market value of IPO. LIC's IPO is a progression in the Modi government's policy of minimum government, maximum governance. A huge amount of companies in India are owned by government. Despite being mired by bureaucracy, these entities keep functioning, sucking up taxpayers' money. LIC is indeed no exception in that aspect. Still, the government wants to make sure that the company competes with the best insurers all around the world. The year 2021 had been the year of IPOs in India. Nazara Technology, Zomato, Cartrade, Freshworks, Nykaa, Policy Bazaar, Paytm, Map My India were some famous names that cashed in on the public trust. 2022 is expected to start with the bang through LIC's offerings. This will work as a guiding force for other government-owned companies to increase their efficiencies.